What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. And that's right, you see I got a guest, right? Hey, check it out. I don't want to make it all for him or nothing like that. Look, this is my boy, Hunter. Hey, his name is Kelly Hunter. Is it cool that I give you a whole government name?
Man, go ahead on, man.
All right, look. Hey, you know what? But I call him Hunter. Listen, he out here from Charlotte, North Carolina, out here doing some kind of convention and repping his seasonings. You guys will see his. Don't forget, everything that we do, all of the ingredients, the name and everything with the measurements will be down in the description box below. Hey, so you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and just turn it over to you, bro. And then you can go ahead and, explain what you're doing right there. I'm very, very interested in that, but I'm intrigued right here myself. So do your thing.
And we're going to do some lemon pepper jerk wings. Oh my gosh, we got the Caribbean jerk sauce, my brand new lemon pepper jerk seasoning, and my Texas seasoning. Then we're going to throw in some lemons and limes. We're going to have a good old time.
Hey, so I'm gonna be honest with you, man. I think these right here are gonna be fire. Hey, let me just go ahead and say it this way. I know it's all gonna be fire, right? So look, now I'm finna go ahead and take a look at the ingredients you got, set aside for this. All right, man, so look, I'm looking at this, man. I see you got the Caribbean jerk here. You got the, what is it? Oh, this is your poultry seasoning. You know what? Look, I'm not gonna go over all of the ingredients, but I will say something about this one right here. This right here, I fell in love with this right here. This right here is fire. Hey, listen, to be honest with y'all, think about 2 weeks ago, I sprinkled a couple of these on top of a huge brisket. Everybody was like, woo! And now I gotta talk to you. Maybe we about to put that in, bring this into the restaurant. And then I got some other ingredients, right? So, right? And then don't trip. If you go to my website, and he has a website too, but on my website, I got the printable recipes. You know what I mean? Do you keep all your recipes on your website
yes,
also?
Most definitely. I got a full description, everything of that nature, man.
Hey, I'm laughing right now because I know he's gonna talk to me when his camera go off. He's like, hey, you're not checking my website, bro? Hey. All right, Hunter. Hey, so look, we're gonna go ahead and make these simultaneously, right? So you do you, and then put this flour in front of me, man. So I'm finna go ahead and get my batter right. You got me calling it batter. I don't know what to call this, mate, but you know what? I'm finna get my flour right.
Get that flour right.
All right, so you go ahead and start doing what you're doing. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing what I do.
Ooh, my brand new lemon pepper jerk seasoning, man. Oh boy. All right, I'm ready to go ahead and toss and mix these suckers up. If I need to add a little more, I'll add a little more.
Hey, you know what? So like all my new people out there, you know what I mean, don't really know. Oh man, this is fire, bro. This like stopped me mid-sentence just to smell the smokiness to come up off of this. That right there is fire, bro. Hey, but you know what I like to see? Because I'm a pepper guy. You know what I mean? So look, you can start seeing the specks.
Well, that's pretty.
Out there so everybody else can see it. You know what I mean?
That is
and
perfect.
Then, look, that tells me I could use just a little bit more. You know what I mean? You said LA, we got to go over the top. That's how we do on the West Coast.
That's how y'all do it? All right, man. The great thing about my products, Jack, man, I do the work for you. You don't got to go in the cabinet and grab garlic and onion and this and that. It's all blended for you, man. Just throw it in there, mix it up, and you good.
Okay, so look, now you guys can, hopefully you guys can see it. That right there, when you can see the specks, I can see the colors of every seasoning that I put inside this flour. I've tasted it twice, adjusted everything. That right there is fire, folks. So I'm gonna set this off right here, right? The main thing is, listen, we gotta season our meat also. That's what makes it great tasting, man. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna go ahead and start with this right here. And I'm gonna go a little heavy, right?
Most definitely. Hey, we got some more, man, whenever you run out.
The reason I'm gonna go heavy, because listen, we gotta tumble these and we gotta get everything that's on top, on the bottom and everything like that, right?
That's right.
I'm intrigued with this right here too.
Make sure you shake it up first. Give it a little shake. There you go, give it a little shake.
I guess I gotta do that, because listen, I put some of that in that flour too though, man. I had already did all of that, but we gonna do it again.
That's right.
Look, that put a little color on it too. Now we transfer all of that great taste on top. Then we look at it and see it. Just for all my new folks, you know what I'm saying? You can get in the kitchen, you know what I mean? Get somebody, and you know what? The cool thing about being in the kitchen is most people want to be around it anyway. And then if you got that open floor plan, you got the TV in there. Look, it's like the centerpiece, you ask me. You're in there, you're talking, you're getting everything together. Everybody around the TV, and they smelling it. They like, oh yeah, it gets everybody involved, But when you turn a raw piece of chicken wing into what we finna turn this into?
Magic.
Hey, well said, bro.
That's right.
So I'm gonna take this Caribbean jerk. I'm gonna go ahead and just add myself about that much. Listen, this is something different for me because I usually give you guys all of the exact measurements. But look, I took what he did, and I know just by owning a restaurant, you know how to get down, man. You know what I mean? You gotta like taste. Measurements really is just to get you in the ballpark, you know what I mean, and then you make it from there, So let me get all of these ingredients in here. You know what I mean? Hey, one thing that I don't never really cook with a lot, and that's that duck sauce, So check it out. I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna add just a couple of small pinches of, salt, and then I'm gonna take the rest of these ingredients and just, put them in there like that. I'll give you guys all of the ingredients as he gave them to me, but I want you guys to check it out. This right here is what we're gonna coat the wings after they come out. And he said this right here is gonna represent that West Coast, that real heat.
Oh, most definitely, man. You got the jerk sauce. Now, on my jerk sauce, I added a little bit of pineapple and orange for a tropical twist. So my jerk sauce is amazing. Then, like you said, LA style, we got the sweet chili sauce and the duck sauce. And for that, it's almost like an Asian, Caribbean type of blend, man. And as you see, that's starting to look nice and pretty.
Oh, man, you're in line, bro. All right, man, so look, obviously you got away with like the easy work, right? But I can say this, that's well marinated.
Yes, it is.
You know what I mean? So look, now for me, I'm gonna go ahead and take these, just start dropping these in here like that.
Some nice
I want
crispy
you guys to
wings.
Look at that flavor right there, man. Hey, so go ahead, dunk yours. I'm finna dunk mine, and let's go.
Let's do it. Come on. It's the fun part right here.
Oh yeah, you get to load yours up.
I think I'm gonna put about 12 in this boy.
You know how Wingstop do, man. They just throw them all in there.
They just throw them all in there, drop them. Yeah.
Then when you get them in there,
Just shake them up.
Give them a little shake so they
Give a
don't
little
stick.
shake. Yeah. You know what? Let's go ahead and do that. Why not? Let me just grab a handful and bada bing, bada boom. Bam.
Boom. Go ahead and drop them.
Let's go.
That's it.
I love that sound, y'all.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna drop mine in like this, and I'm using my raw hand, right? But notice when I put them in away from myself. Now look, for all you guys that got, pans that don't have no lids, you got to get yourself one of these. This right here is the kitchen essential. Listen, this stops all of the splatter. You got one of these?
No, I don't. I need to get one.
Hey, you got to get yourself one of these.
Okay.
Hey, look, and they kind of like cut down on the odor too.
Oh, wow.
You know what I mean, when you're frying, but look, fortunately, I got one. All right, so look, I want you to take a look at these right here. I just checked the temperature on that right there. That right there is right. You know what? We'd like to see that 165. That was like a 170. Some of these right here, but look at this right here. And I can feel it. They're crispy, bro. Hey, so now you guys can see, look, they are, I put this here to absorb. You can see how by putting the napkin down, or I could have put them on the baking, sheet, but I like using this best. To be honest with you, the cooling rack is great, because when you put them on there, it kind of like whatever side is touching that, might get a little soggy, but it don't make no difference because we finna coat. So listen, if it sound like I'm talking cool and I'm mellow and all of that right now, look at how many wings we got left. Hey, listen, we've been eating wings and didn't remember, like, oh yeah, we still got the coat, zest, take a thumbnail and all of that. Oh, and the postman came.
With my jerk sauce, I added a little bit of pineapple and orange for a tropical twist, just a little coating. Then we're gonna add the star to show my
Let me
limit.
ask you this, man. You sound like you do this for a living, bro.
Man, yeah, man.
It flow right off your tongue like.
I love it.
I know you do.
I love it, man. Love it. My new lemon pepper jerk seasoning. You gotta put a little coating over it. I know ATL got the lemon pepper on lock. But man, in Charlotte, we taking it to another level. 305-2 lemon pepper jerk. Doing the lemon pepper thing, we're gonna add a little lemon to it, squeeze a fresh lemon. We're not gonna stop there. We're gonna squeeze a fresh lime. And we're not gonna stop there, Jack. We're gonna go ahead and zest them boys, man. Now, I'm gonna show you how I zest, but you a pro, ain't no egos in here.
Stop it. But one thing I can tell you though, I got this facing the right way. Go ahead, do your thing, man.
We'll go ahead and zest them boys, man.
Pour some of this over here.
Oh man, that looks so good.
Oh man.
My goodness. That's a pretty color. I'm jealous.
Okay, so check it out. Look, you know what I usually say, hey, the moment of truth or something like that? I'm gonna be honest with y'all. You can see, hey, I don't know how to say it, but look, every time they see these wings, from the start, they get smaller and smaller. Now, one thing I will tell you guys is I didn't eat none of these that are sauced. You know what I mean? After he did his thing, oh, I take that back. I did taste them as fire. But these right here, these LA wings, these LA style wings, I saw what I put in there and I know they got a little heat. And y'all know I'm a lightweight when it comes to that. So look, I tell you what, man, I'm gonna hit this one, you hit that one, and let's just see what we got.
Let's party.
You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and get one of these flats, man.
You get a flat, I get a flat. It's party time, baby.
Man, look at that right there. Hey, they look good with this, you know, with these sesame seeds. Hey, and then for those of you guys that didn't know, if you want to toast a sesame seed, you can just put them in the pan, dry, move them around. Keep them moving though. When you got them under a medium heat, you can just watch them turn a different color. Once you get your desired color, then take them out. All right. Hey, with that being said, look, let's stop over talking, because you know what I'm doing? I'm really stalling. All right.
Wow.
I'm not finna stop, folks. You know what? I don't know why I'm playing, man. Let me get down. This is how I eat wings. I'm sure a lot of people do too. I usually separate it like that, put this whole thing in my mouth like this. Let it slide like it did.
I'm ready to dig in. LA style wings.
Oh man. Oh, and one more thing. I did add about a tablespoon of brown sugar to knock some of that heat back. I think you told me you put 4 tablespoons of cayenne. Hey, homie, that's fire. Hey, and I had to, so listen, I had to like wipe my mouth and do it like gingerly, right? Because my mouth is on fire, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hey, listen, this right here, it's got a little bit of heat. I ain't gonna lie to you. You know what I mean? For those of you guys like them hot wings, stuff like that, but it's smooth. I ain't gonna lie, it's smooth. And don't forget, I did mention that I put a tablespoon of brown sugar on the sauce, right? And we talk about these LA wings just to calm it down, right? He said 4 tablespoons. Hey, 4 tablespoons, you know, I think that's a quarter cup. Hey, but they like it hot down there where he at. I got all of that. But for myself, you know what I mean? I went with the 2. I'm gonna just recommend you guys go with the 1, and if you want more heat, do your thing. Listen, I'm not gonna over talk it. I'm gonna just tell you, them is fire, these is fire. They 2 different wings. They really super refreshing. I hope that gives you like an idea of what they taste like. When I say refreshing, I mean, man, it just remind me of being somewhere tropical. You know what I mean? Them right there was the one. Hey, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over to you, let you do your thing, and do me one favor, man. Quit calling me Aaron, bro.
All right, all right, AB. All right, go to kingofoods.com. Man, I have 7 different seasoning blends, 4 different sauces and marinades. Order online. If you want to see me in action, go to King of Foods Network on YouTube. AB, thank you for having me, man. Appreciate that.
Oh, for sure, bro. Bro, I'm glad you came out this way, man. Hey, with that being said, listen, if you're new to my channel, let me just take this time to say, hey, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and then I want you to hit me down in the comment section below and tell me if you'd like to see content like this. You never know who's gonna be on this channel, right? This is the channel that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. And guess what, folks? If you've been watching me for a minute, you know how we leave. We out. Peace.